Whether you're developing an internal chatbot or an enterprise SaaS product for thousands of users, leveraging your data is crucial for any AI application. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, enhances your generations by adding context from data the model hasn't been trained on, making responses more accurate. However, setting up your own RAG pipeline can require significant time and engineering resources. Introducing Ragie, a fully managed RAG as a service solution built for developers that integrates data from your knowledge bases into your AI application. With Ragie, easily upload your data using simple APIs or sync directly to data sources like Google Drive, Notion, Confluence, and more. Automatic syncing ensures your data remains up to date, supporting a wide range of formats from text and PDFs to images and presentations. Once uploaded, Ragie chunks and embeds your data into vectors, storing them in a highly scalable database, engineered to handle increasing amounts of data and queries over time. Right out of the box, Ragie builds vector, summary, and keyword indexes to help organize information and optimize the retrieval process. Using Ragie's Retrieval API, your AI application can access the most relevant data using advanced built-in features like LLM re-ranking and hybrid search to ensure the most accurate and relevant results. Security is our top priority. We use AES 256 encryption for storage and TLS for transmission. At Ragie, we stay at the forefront of AI research and development so you can focus on what matters most, developing your application. We'll handle the rest. Get started today with a free 30-day trial at ragie.ai.